1,798 dashboards. That's how many one company had inside Metabase when they called me. Think about that. All that data, and the person running the company is flying blind. So here's the real question. Is Metabase the best BI tool you can pick in 2026? Or a trap that turns into exactly that? A swamp nobody trusts? I've rolled it out for 50+ companies, tiny startups to teams doing hundreds of millions. And the honest answer comes down to one thing. One, and almost everybody gets it wrong. Stick around, I'll show you exactly what it is. Let's start with why 50,000 teams love this thing. Because they're not wrong. The magic is simple, anyone can use it. Watch, this is the question builder. Pick a table, add a filter, group by a dimension, boom, there's your chart. No-SQL, a marketer, a founder, a sales lead answers their own questions without ever filing a ticket. That's the dream, self-service that people actually use. Got real analysts? Covered. Full SQL editor and a power tip. You can now drive Metabase straight from Claude Code with the Metabase MCP. Build and query from your AI assistant. Feels like magic, and the link is below. Dashboards are really good. Filters, drill downs, alerts when a number crosses a line. Built in a single afternoon. And the price? Self-hosted, completely free. Cloud starts around $85 a month. For a startup, watching every dollar, that is unbeatable. So you're thinking free, easy, powerful. What's the catch? Here it is, and it's the part nobody's selling you Metabase says out loud. The very thing that makes it great, how easy it is to build, is what kills it at scale. When everyone can build, everyone does, and it multiplies fast. Those 1,700 dashboards? Not a horror story. That's the natural end state. One person builds revenue, another total revenue, a third revenue final V2, and 6 months later, nobody knows which is real. Trust just evaporates. The modeling layer is also lighter than a dedicated one, so complex logic hits a ceiling. And for pixel-perfect board visuals, Tableau still wins. Peace. Now that mess, that's exactly why we built MetaLens. It audits your whole Metabase in 2 minutes, then AI agents find the duplicates, kill the dead questions, and ship real governance and clean metric trees, the single source of truth your CEO wants. That company with 1,700 dashboards, down to a trusted clean set in about 2 hours. 2 hours, not 2 quarters. That's at MetaLens, dotted. So, the verdict. Startup or mid-size, whole team self-serving value matters. Metabase is the best BI tool you can pick hand on heart. Full stop, big enterprise living on heavy governance or gorgeous exec visuals. Be honest and look at Looker or Power BI instead. And that one thing I promised? It's discipline. Keep it clean and it's incredible. Let it run wild, and you're the next company with 2,000 dashboards and a CEO who trusts none of them. Full review, real pricing, every alternative in the article below. Want help choosing your BI stack? Book a call. If this helped, you know what to do. See you in the next one.